Hey friends, welcome to my channel, and today I will be showing how to make a program which will validate if a student is failed or passed. So let's get started. So first, what I will do, I had imported java.util.scanner and made a public static void main, the main method. Now what I'll do, I will make two arrays. First will be marks, the second will be name. So let me just make it. I'll first make it int marks is equal to new int 11. Then you will ask why did you give the name of names and the mark. So what I'll do, I'll be using scanner class and take the input from the user of the 10 students and validate if A is passed or failed. So after doing this, I'll write here string array names. I'll write here new string, and here I'll write again 11. So you'll ask why I'm using 11. So you'll get to know very good. And after doing this, what I'll do, I will make a for loop, iteration loop, and here I will write 1 and here 11. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I'll be taking 11 inputs, but really it will be 10. So I can just check the length by printing. What I'll do, I'll just comment this. I'll just print here, I'll just out the length, so you can check the length by length. So this, I think, no, sorry, this, I'll just run this. The length is 11. It will start from 0 and go till 11. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. It will be taking 12. So really, when I try to just do this, name 11 is equal to hello. So here I array index out of bounds. Whether I give here 11, the length as 11, then also it will take only 10. Okay, then also it will only take 10 inputs from 0 to 10. So 0 to 10 will be of course 10. So that is why I'm taking 11, and here also we are getting an error that array index is out of bounds. That is why I will be taking it using 11, and I will be here show 1 and 11. To 1 to 11 it will be 10 only, because 10, 1 plus 10, 11. So that is why I had taken for loop and started from int 1 and go till if lesser than 11. So now after doing this, after showing why I'm making this 11, I'll just comment this out, and what I will do, I will give your names I, and I will write here the scanner input. So first of all, I have to make the scanner is equal to new scanner, and I will write a system.in, and here I'll write scanner dot next line here and this. So now to make it more systematic, I'll just print this as a little bit of information. What do we have to put? Print, and I will just printing here. Let me just write enter name of the student, name of the, I will write here this, and plus I plus student, and here this. So after doing this, it will not take the input, and it will also, let me just copy this and save. I'll paste it here, and I'll here write here marks, and here also same marks, and I will put here next int, not line. Okay, so I'll just put here next int, and now it will take the standard of next int. Now what I'll do, I'll go here and let me just make here an method. So here I'll make a method that public static boolean, sorry, boolean, and here is failed, and I'll give here int marks. I will be taking int marks, and I will write here if marks is bigger than 40. Okay, then let me just make it smaller than 40. Smaller than 40, then return true, because he's failed, and true will be of t true. And I'll just give here this, and I will give here return false, and this. So here, uh, so you can write it like this to make it more easier. Okay, so what I'll do here, now I'll use this function. I will write here one more for loop which will be iterating, and I will go from 1 to the length. So I can give a marks dot length, and same here also for that, marks dot length, and again here marks dot length. So after doing this, okay, for int I marks dot length and I plus plus, I will iterate over, and I will write if. Okay, if the marks, okay, the marks is is failed. Okay, I will write is failed, and I will give here the marks. So int marks will be marks I. So marks, and I'll write here I. And here it will be a little bit confusing. And what I'll write here is equal to true. Okay, or you can just leave it as it is. Let me just say, you can simplify it. So let me just simplify and let it be. And I'll write here south. Okay, name. Okay, I'll write here and add here name I. Okay, is failed. Is failed. It marks. Now I'll write here is marks here. Marks I. And I will, what I'll do, I'll write here same, else if here is equal to false, or we can just write here else. Simplify. So we can write here this like this, and what I'll write is passed with marks this much. And now we have completed with our ultimate program. So it is, I don't think so it is an ultimate program, let it be. Let's now run this. So I have done this thing, and it's building here. C D K F G H I J. So let now enter the marks of the one square. So what do, I will leave fail 2 students of the 10 students. So it will really everyone during this final exam do study, okay, do hard work in their study, and most of in the most of the cases don't get failed. But to show that our code is working, that is why we will fail 2 students. I'll fail the first student and the second student by 12 and 13 out of 100. Okay, so let me just check what I'll do, and I'll write here for 78. I'll write here 88, 92, 95, 79, 50, 68, 99. Let me just pass it with 99 marks. So we got it. So A is filled with marks 12 and B is filled with marks 13. And here I've written C is passed with 78, passed with 88, 92, 95, 79, 50, 68, and 99. And our code is working very good. And in my next video I'll be showing this same code in Python. So I'll meet you next time. And don't forget to like and subscribe and share this video. I need your support to make more codes, and please I request you, please subscribe my channel and like all the videos. So I'll meet you next time.